Hi, Kimberley here from Feed Central, here to talk to you today about how to take the best representative sample from your hay harvest. It's important to take a representative sample because you want a feed analysis that represents your whole paddock. So the best way to get a representative sample is to use a hay corer. For a round bale, we want to core through the side of the bale, making sure that we get that cross section. You don't want to approach it from the front and get just one layer. Similarly, for a square bale, you want to go in through the small butt end of the bale, going through multiple layers. Alternatively, if you don't have access to a corer, you can use the grab method of sampling, whereby you expose the interior of the bale and grab a handful of product from each selected bale. You don't want to get a sample from the weathered exterior, as that's not representative of your true product. So ideally, when taking samples, we'd recommend that you take a sample from 10% or more of the number of bales that you've got. Ideally, for a core sample, you're looking about half a bag's worth of sample, ranging anywhere from 200 grams to 500 grams maximum. Or for a grab sample, you're looking at filling a bag, again, about 500 gram maximum sample size. If your representative sample quantity is too large, like this, it won't fit into a Ziploc bag. We recommend creating a subsample. You can find that information on our website or watching our subsampling video. Once you've got a representative sample, you can drop that into our Feed Central office, post that in, or drop it off to Shepherd and Pack and Send, who will forward that sample to us. The easiest way to get your sample submitted to Feed Central is to order one of our free sample submission kits. These include sample collection bags, submission forms, tips on how to take a representative sample, and reply paid post bags. If you have any further questions on how to take the best representative sample, give us a call at Feed Central.